Welcome to Obligr.com. In this video, we will learn how to send bulk WhatsApp message from application. First, we will go to the setting and click on Text Inject. Then we will import the mobile number on which we will send the WhatsApp message in bulk. Process is already shared in previous video. In message box we have already pasted the content, which will be sent on WhatsApp. You can send dynamic messages also, by clicking on variables available, below. Here we will send messages, with their names. Now click on Add Files or Photos, to add files and photos. After selecting your files or photos, click on Send. Select Send from Saved Accounts, and click on OK. Scan the QR code from mobile WhatsApp app. See now, the application is sending WhatsApp message and attaching photos automatically. Also you can see, names are been fetched automatically. After your campaign is finished, you can check the reporting on application beside the contact numbers. That's it, you have learned how to send bulk WhatsApp message via desktop application. Thanks for watching video, have a nice time.